here we go. The Princess Polly package is here. I'm literally so excited right now. This package came so quick. I'm shook. I ordered it like yesterday and it's here. Not all of it, but some of it is here. So we're doing an unboxing. All right, so let's dive into it. I got the scissors to open up this stuff. And I don't know what items they sent. I don't know what package this is, but this was all on sale from Cyber Week or Cyber Monday. So that's why I got it. It was all like 30% off, I think. The packaging's really cute. Like the box is just, well, like, you know, it's pretty basic, but it's cute. This packaging is adorable with all the stars on it. I'm a fan. So first thing is, it looks like a sweatshirt, is this sweatshirt that is super cute. It's a sport and relax. It's just a comfy sweatshirt. Looks like this. Boom. And I got matching pants to go with this one. Okay, this is a dress, like a whole dress. Okay, cute. We'll have to see how all this looks on too. But it looked cute on the models, but it always does because it's a model. That's interesting. I kind of like it. Ooh. There's so much stuff in this thing. Holy crap. What did I do? What did I do? Jenny girl. I ordered some pants. Oh, these are cute. Stretchy, like I don't even know how to explain it, but they're kind of like dress pants, but they're so stretchy at the top. They look like the length is perfect. Okay, these are so cute. All right, I really am excited to try those on. This is just a basic little tank. That's just a white top. Woo, the material's nice. I like it. That is so adorable. Look at that. The checkers, so it will obviously go around my neck like that. Kind of looks like an apron right now, but it will be cute. It's a little, no, it's not long, but I'm just really short. So like all dresses always look like awkwardly long on me. The set, cute. I like the color a lot. Is a top and then some bottoms like this. So daggum cute. Are you kidding me? Oh wait, what? Oh, this is a 2? This looks kind of big, but that is so cute. I love the color. Here's another set. This is the Addison set, and it needs to be ironed or steamed really bad, but it's a cute little top. And then it comes with these really cute little shorts. I think that's adorable. Honestly, like for the beach too, with some heels, like colorful heels, that'd be so awesome. Oh my God. I'm like legit out of breath, but I'm more out of breath from like carrying this box up than anything. And I kind of just went crazy. Like I wanted to redo my whole wardrobe and sell the stuff I have and literally just like start over. So like that's literally what I was doing with this giant package of stuff. Plus it was on sale, so you know, never really goes on sale that much. It's just a basic. I like a lot of basics, so I can just like throw them on with like jeans or like a cute skirt, you know. That's that. Ooh, I am very excited for the jeans. I'm a little nervous to like see if they all fit right, because I think I just ordered the same size in all of them. Because I don't know, I've never had these jeans from Princess Polly. So we'll see how they fit. These are 2s. They look kind of big in the legs. Wow, they look big in the legs. But maybe that's just like the look. I don't know. I do not know. This is like a champagne sparkly top, and it's so cute. Ooh. It just adds a little pizzazz. Dude, I'm on a roll right now. I like should have opened all of this before I did the haul, but that's just like a part of it. We're doing it together. This is this is a dress. Oh snap. Oh my, dude, I'm so extra. It looks pink because of the light hitting it, but it's just a white dress. A little white dress. And it's like lacy. I don't know if this is gonna fit me, to be honest. It's kind of small. It's kind of tiny. Like, is that gonna get on me? It's a size 6 in wait, no, it's size 2. I don't actually literally know what size I am anymore. This is like the first time I've shopped in so long for clothes, so I probably am like a 4 now. I don't even know. I haven't worked out in ages. Oh, this one's fun. I'm about to wear a lot of dresses on stream because, geez Louise, I didn't know I bought this many dresses, but hello. Oh, is this a set? Oh no, this is a romper. Yep, this is the kind of stuff I wanted like for stream. Like, it's so comfortable and easy to throw on. Like, what do I want to wear in the morning? A romper, and it feels like I'm just getting dressed so quick, but I look cute, you know, that kind of thing. I got a few colors of this because I just thought it was adorable. Like I said, I like basics, but I think the color is really good. I don't know if these are going to fit me. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, I should have got like 4s in this. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's like one of those where I would wear like a t-shirt on top, you know? It's like right here, and it's kind of like a crop. I like this. Anything else I like about Princess Polly? Like, this video is not sponsored. I literally bought all of this. So, I wish that was different. Wish that wasn't the case. But, anyways. So, like, none of this is sponsored, but it is really cool because, like, all their packaging is literally recycled stuff. It's from dirt. Like, on the bag, it says, I'm just a dirt bag, baby. Literally. Like, it's not even a traditional plastic bag. It's literally just from plants and dirt. Compost. How cool is that? I grabbed so many sets. Like, any set I could find, I literally bought because I was like, that is so easy. I don't have to pick an outfit. I just wear it together. Little tank, just really basic, simple little tank top. These pants to match with it, so that's fun. And a lot of them are like flared at the bottom. Oh, a dress, a pink little dress, a little cute. I'm obsessed with pink, and it's really stretchy, which is good because again, like I'm seriously worried about it fitting. If I don't look cute on stream literally every day, y'all better get on to me. Y'all better yell at me. Y'all better be like, girl, why the heck you buy that many clothes that you ain't gonna even wear them, you ain't even gonna look cute? I'm like, alright, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, this would have been so cute on game day. Next year, this is gonna be adorable. Oh my, another dress? Another dress? Oh my gosh. Another one. Got a lot of rompers and sets. This one's really cute too. You see all this stuff piling up? Don't want to talk about it. Oh, I love the colors of this. Like, we're at the very bottom. I promise. We're almost done. We have these 3 more, and then that's it. And then we put all of this in this box. The couch is falling apart because this is actually literally not even the real couch. This is just this is literally just blankets on top of it. So I've already got another couch on the way. It'll come in March. Because this one is just not doing it. They look about right. All of these look so big. Like, the legs, like, the waist looks good, but the legs look absolutely huge. And I don't know what vibe they're trying to go for with this. I just hope they look good on. Because if they ain't, they get sent back, chat. They are getting back. I need it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this sweater's so cute. Oh, I'm about to wear this. Oh my gosh, I'm about to wear this literally right now. It's adorable. This is going to be like the only thing I try on for y'all because I think it's just so cute. And it's so soft. All right, let me go put this on. Literally so dang cute and so comfortable. I honestly wish I would have gotten this in a lot of colors, but I don't think they had that many other colors. But like, it's so cute. Princess Polly sponsored me, bro. I'm going to do a little thumbnail right now of me like holding this pile of clothes. I'm going to try on a pair of jeans and just see how they fit. So these are a size 2. And like, again, like I said, the waist kind of looks definitely like it would fit, maybe not. It looks pretty small, but the legs look so wide. Like, I don't know what is going on there, but let me see. Okay, so it took a second to get them on completely. Like, they did not get up my bum very well, so I thought they were not gonna fit, but they fit really good. And I was like sitting down in them, and they're very comfortable when I'm sitting down and everything. I'm a little nervous for when I like wash them for them to shrink, so I guess I'm just gonna have to not dry them, you know. But anyways, they do fit pretty good. I feel like if I would have got a 4, they would have been like way too big in the waist, but the legs are pretty wide. Like, let me show you. See, I'm just wearing them with some booties right now just to see what they look like, and like, I don't know, I think they're nice. They're not like, I'm not crazy about them, but I like the color, and I think that the cut is really good, and it actually fits me really well. But I would have to wear like a little bit of like a tiny heel or something to make sure that they're not on the floor. But they do have a little bit of the baggy look. I like them. I think this outfit's cute. So yeah, thank you so much for coming to the Princess Polly haul. That was a fun time. I hope I can dress cute on stream and keep this up. But hope you guys liked it. Make sure you leave a comment. Comment what your favorite item was, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!